Hey guys, I'm at my house now. It's not exactly all my house. Like I said on my other video, if you were watching from the last scene, I'm at a different house right now. I'm at my dad's house where he lives. Not exactly his house though. I'm not sure if you could hear me or not. So, anyway, you're not gonna be able to see the other dogs right now, but you could see one dog because there's only one dog here. And I have my bunny, but I'm not allowed to take her out. And I don't want my dad, to see that I'm doing a video. Because, I don't know. Because I told him now I'm going down to play with the dog. Now let's go see Lucy. Come on. Tour guide. Her name's Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi. You're so cute. Yeah. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Lucy, come on. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Come on. So this is Lucy. She's just such a sweetheart. She may not look like a sweetheart, but trust me, she is. See, look. No. She's such a good dog. Her name's Lucy. She just sniffs you a lot. Okay, Lucy, get off of me. She's not. Wow. Lucy, she just loves people. Okay, Lucy, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, that's enough, Lucy. That's enough, Lucy. Here's a tour guide. That's Max's room. We're not allowed to go in there. Did you see? Oh, no, you didn't. Sorry about that view. That's Max's room where that door is. Oh, here's all this other stuff. That's my room right there. That's my room right there. That's Soccer's room. That's downstairs. You can see a little down there, right? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I gotta go here. This is a really short video. It's just, that I don't want to get caught or anything. This dog is chasing me. She's chasing me. Come here. Such a good girl. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I'll show you another video, or in the next video, we'll be doing a tour of this house, like the whole house. Okay, guys, gotta go. Peace out.